from here and you have the pretty mighty and the very beautiful Burj Khalifa in front of you. In front of me rather, but I wanted to capture it for you guys. So this is the Cafe Khana, and if you sit at its front side, not the one facing the water but this side, you can easily view the mighty and the prettiest Burj Khalifa in front of you. See how amazing it looks at night even. And Assalamu alaikum you guys, hope you're all doing well. Another day, another video. So I am back and I welcome you all back to Dubai Diaries, and it's been a while, but there has been a lot happening in my life, and then it has been Ramadan. It's now almost ending. Today it's the 28th of Ramadan and it's the night of 29th, we are just approaching Eid in a day, inshallah. And I'm here at Dubai Mall because I had to buy an outfit for the Eid. And this is the dinosaur that I've been referring to in one of my previous videos for you guys. Anyhow, these pretty glittery lights are everywhere. You can call them chandeliers or whatsoever. And I'll also show you the place where I am today for shopping and getting my Eid outfit. So I got it from Khadi. So back in Pakistan also, I've always been getting a lot of stuff from them. I am a fan of them. It's been years and years since I'm buying stuff from them. So always a very loyal Khadi fan. Anyhow, I just got my outfit from here. I'll show you guys maybe some glimpse of it on the Eid day because I tend to do videos. I tend to vlog a lot on Eid, inshallah. And again, I have to come back to the mode of preparing a lot of videos for you guys, showing you Dubai with my eyes, the eyes of an expat, how amazing the city is, how much beauty it's there, not only in Dubai, in the whole UAE, in Abu Dhabi, on Yas Island. Anyhow, look at these pretty Eid dresses, and it also has a lot of half moon stars over it, so let me zoom out a bit. It looks pretty wild. Anyhow, and this is the beauty, and this is the decorations that are being done over here. In Mall of Emirates as well, there are very pretty decorations, but I didn't get much of a time to capture that for you guys. I've been busy and running around errands over there only. So here I just thought to take some pretty clips for you guys. And you see, we have something over here, and then we have these pretty lights over here. So let's roll around and explore other shops in the mall. And I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe to Dubai Diaries and support my channel and help me grow, and I'll make sure to provide and come up with an amazing content for you guys for Eid, inshallah. So stay tuned, there's a lot of content coming for you on Eid. Do you see this beauty, you guys? They have decorated it much more. So in my previous videos in the start of Ramadan, I showed you these pretty decorations, but now from what I see is that they have decorated it much more. It's like these chandeliers are everywhere, and they give you such pretty and amazing views, and it's all the festive vibe right now, the festive music, these pretty chandeliers. So how could I just come over here and not show you this beauty? And I told you that I got my Eid Jora, and this is it in front of me. Maybe I'll carry it along and show it to you guys how it is. So I'm here in front of Pull and Bear. So the time is very much now. It's like more than 12:30 a.m. So I am running a bit late. Not myself, it's weekend for us, but they have to close by 1. So by 12:45 they would request people to go out. And yeah, this is the beauty of Dubai Mall. And I have to go to this place called Swarovski for getting something, an accessory like a good chain and pendant for Eid. And I buy it on Eids, and then they last me for 6 months, or not even for a year, more than a year. Like since 2 years I have had one which I have been wearing. So yeah, I just wanted to show you, and let's roll. So it's almost about to be 1 a.m. and Al Baik is still flattering with people. People are waiting, but the waiting is much more lesser than how it usually is. And this is the big and amazing food court of Dubai Mall. It's pretty empty. You never see it empty any time of the week, but now it's because the mall is about to close. That's why it's pretty empty. So I wanted to show you this side as well. Usually I cannot even film because it is so much crowded with people. By and large, the whole Ramadan, we have never been to somewhere for suhoor or something. So today, because the holidays have officially kicked in, we have come here for suhoor. This place is called Kana. It's 24 hours. It's in the business bay, and I wanted to show you this building as well. It looks pretty lit and good at night. So let's go, and yeah, they have their valet parking as per them, but we just opted to park ourselves, and people are just coming out. It's 1:30 a.m. in the morning and it's quite peaceful. The weather is really good. I cannot explain in words how amazing it is. You can easily walk outside. The breeze is very cool, and the beautification is a lot that the Kana guys have done. So let me show you from the front as well. Yeah, this moon looks really lit, and let's just go inside, order some food. And the cars are so close, I need to find a place to just squeeze myself in. To appreciate this very beautiful half moon. I have a love for these glittery things, so that's why I'm showing one to you as well. So you can see my bag is also resting. It got tired as well, and we placed our order. We'll wait for it, but I wanted to appreciate and show you this beauty from here. And you have the pretty mighty and the very beautiful Burj Khalifa in front of you. In front of me rather, but I wanted to capture it for you guys. So this is the Cafe Kana, and if you sit at its front side, not the one facing the water but this side, you can easily view the mighty and the prettiest Burj Khalifa in front of you. See how amazing it looks at night even, and with all these leaves and all these views, it looks splendid, trust me. So the whole parking is full. Hardly there are any left spaces, so you could see this is how happening this place is. So if you are into going out for suhoors or anyways with friends or family late at night, this is the place you need to come. This is the pizza that we had for the suhoor, and it's like having some white sauce and mushrooms and chicken. They call it al-fungi, but I don't know how to pronounce it the way they have made it. So we have had it, and then still 2 pieces are left. We'll try to take it home, and maybe just before the call for prayer, the Fajr call for prayer, we may have one slice to just finish it off. So yeah, this is some update regarding the suhoor, and then this is the place I wanted to show you where we came for our suhoor, and people are here. And again, I am showing you that half moon and that pretty Burj Khalifa in the background. So guys, with that, I would like to take a leave from you guys, and until next time, make sure you subscribe to Dubai Diaries, and make sure you stay tuned for a lot of amazing content that's coming your way for Eid, and there's a lot of stuff that's coming. So yeah, stay tuned, take care, and Allah Hafiz.